Hey guys, now I'm going to share with you one of my favorite baton series. It actually came from the classical rowing series. As you know, if you've taught the classical rowing series, it's pretty complicated to teach. So I started introducing the baton into the series to break it up just a little bit and to add a little bit more to the series to make a longer flow. Now I've been doing this for a couple years now, and now the flow has grown to about a 20-minute long baton flow. So it's grown quite. All right, so, and my daughter Lucy is here to help me. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I have one medium spring on, I should mention. On my reformer, that's one red spring. And you should note that I keep my ropes pretty long, so I'm able to use that medium spring. If you keep your ropes shorter, you might want to choose a lighter spring. Okay, Lucy, I need you to hop off of there for me, okay? All right, so I'm going to start like the classical rowing series, the same setup. I'm going to be about one hand's width from the back of the reformer. Now here's where it changes. I'm going to thread the baton through the shorter loops here. You could definitely do the long loops if you want it to be a little lighter. And I just kind of eyeball it to make sure that the straps are even on the baton. So now I'm going to start here like this. I'm going to connect under the shoulders and I'm going to lift it up for 5. I definitely want to make sure that I'm connected under the shoulder girdle, so the brunt of the work is not in the tops of my arms or my shoulders. I want to stay connected right there. And I'm lifting tall from that pelvic floor. Let's exhale as we lift. I've got one more right here. Good, now I'm going to bend my elbows so the heels of my hands are facing the ceiling. I'm going to slightly hinge back. And I'm going to reach over my head for 5. Lifting up tall from that pelvic floor. I've got 4. Don't forget to breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now I call this scarecrow arms. My hand, elbow, and shoulder are all on the same plane right here. And I'm going to reach the baton up to my forehead, and then I come right back down, keeping the elbows high. I've got 4, definitely starting to feel those deltoids, the tops of my arms. For 3, whoo, 2, last one right here. Okay, now I'm going to ditch the left strap right there like that. And now I'm going to bring the baton into the longer loop. I'm going to stand up to a little bit of a lunge series right here. So the baton, or the strap, is centered with the baton right here, and my hands are even on the baton. I'm going to take about a half a step out. Now the taller you are, the closer you're going to want to stay to the reformer. If you step back too far, the carriage tends to lift a bit. So you have to be careful right there. Now the leg that's closest to the reformer is where I'm going to step back. So I step back to a lunge, pull, extend the arms, come up to that flamingo right there. I'm going to step back, pull, and up. I'm lifting up from that pelvic floor. I'm connected under the shoulder girdle. So I have one nice, long, strong core. I don't want to dump forward, bending right there. I want to stay connected. Drawing those lats down right there helps that connection. So I pull and come up. Now on this last one right here, I'm going to stay low. I'm going to pull for 5. Elbows are wide. I've got 4, 3, nice jumping loose, 2, and 1. Now, I'm going to extend both legs long like that. I'm going to come to an arabesque here, soften the standing leg, pull the baton to my thigh for 5, firing those lats. I've got 4, abs are tight. 3, whew, it's definitely a test for your balance. 2, ooh, I'm losing it, and 1. Now I hold it halfway, I go down and up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now hold it here. Now can I lift the left leg, the extended leg? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So there's a bunch that you could tag on to that if you wanted to. Now, I'm going to come on to the carriage right here. Never mind the goofball behind me. Okay, so my left leg right here is all the way against the shoulder rest to give me a little bit more stability. Now, I'm going to lift my right leg up into a Captain Morgan position right there like that. Now, how you're going to hold the baton, I think, is really important. So I want the strap to be under my hand, under my arm. So I reach under like that, and then my thumb comes up. So now the strap is under my arm here like this. Otherwise, if I do it here like that, I just hit myself in the face. The strap bothers me when it's on the top of my arm. That's just personal preference. So I reach under, and the thumb comes up to kind of hold that strap in place. Now first, I'm just gonna do a twist. It's not that challenging. I'm gonna inhale to prepare. Exhale, connect under those shoulders. Rotate for 5. We're just getting warmed up here, guys. I've got 4. We're gonna add to it in a second. 3, exhale, 2, and 1. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of a reach. Reach, twist, reach, twist. 3 more. Definitely feeling it in that core now. Last one. All right, now I bring my arms or my hands wider onto the baton like this. Elbows are wide. Now this is the arm that's going to move. So the strapped arm is going to extend as I rotate. This elbow is going to stay right where it is. So I rotate that way, come back to wide elbows, just like that. For 4, now I'm definitely feeling it. We've got 3, elbows are wide. Everything right here is on the same plane right there. We're horizontal. 2, whoo, last one. Trust me, 5 is enough. Now I'm going to turn this direction here. All right, so I call this the reverse paddle, okay? So I'm going to have this hand here like this. This hand is underneath, and all I'm going to do, or this hand, sorry, on top like this, all I'm going to do is I'm going to press that way, and then I come back down. Follow it with your eyes. So this arm is going to do the work, but yet I still feel in that core as I rotate. So this hand is here, and I reach. Bring it back down. Let's exhale, reach. 5, bring it back down. Isn't it like a reverse paddle? 4, I wasn't on the rowing team, I don't know. We've got 3, 2, and 1. Now I'm going to stay up here like this. Now I have to switch my grip because now I want the strap over my shoulder here like this. And now I want the strap in the center of my baton here like this. Connect under the shoulders. I'm going to bend and lengthen. I've got 6. Shoulders are out of my ears. You've guessed it. It's for the triceps here. 4, 3, woo! I've got 2. Last one, right there. Now from here, I'm going to bring my hands a little closer together. I'm going to squat down or sit down again. The baton comes this way. I come back up and bend. Sit down as I rotate to the side. Press into the strapped hand, the left hand, and bend. A little bit of combination. Definitely these combinations challenge people's coordination, and that's what I love to do. Work their brain as well as their body, right? Hold it here. 5 more triceps. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Now I'm going to come down here. We have some double strap work right here, and then that takes us to the other side. So I grab the other strap like that. And so my hands are right over the straps like that. And I reach up, bring it back down. You got to keep a hold of those straps with your hands.